Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mabel. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm just making this quick video to take you along with me while I'm making lunch. So I'm just going to show you this quick recipe I'm going to make for lunch today. So I decided to carry you guys along. I'm going to be making beans curry, very easy, with some white rice. Okay, so come with me, let's get cooking. So I'm going to start boiling my rice on one side. So I'm just going to boil about 2 cups of rice. While that is cooking, then I will start to make my curry, my beans curry. Yeah, so rice will be cooking on that side. Then let's get on with the curry. So as you know, we need a lot of onions for curry. Usually 3 large onions are used, but I'll be using 2 large onions today. So already diced into cubes. So put some vegetable oil, add the onions, and just saute the onions till it's golden brown. So this process takes me about, well, we'll find out. Usually it takes about 8 minutes, but we'll see. So while the onion is cooking or frying, whatever, I'll be preparing other ingredients. So we need some chopped tomatoes. You can use 2 large plum tomatoes. So I'll be using chopped tomatoes. Then we need some cream. I like to use coconut cream. Coconut flavor with beans or with chicken curry, it takes it to another level. Trust me, guys. Then these are my ginger and garlic. I'll be using ready-made ginger and garlic, minced ginger and garlic. Yeah, so onion is not ready. Let's check on the rice. Oh, still boiling. Okay. Yeah, so right now I'm just getting the ginger and onion ready. I'm going to add a teaspoon each into the onion. So you'll notice that I used different spoons to take out the garlic or ginger. This is for the garlic and this is for storage purposes. You don't want to dip in same spoon into the ginger or garlic. You don't want it to get spoiled. Yeah, that's why. Anything in the bottle, really, like the green chili sauce I have in the fridge, you want to take out any amount you need with a clean teaspoon each time. Yeah, not to contaminate the rest of the contents in the bottle. Okay, so now this is what we have. I've added tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Next is to add the beans. So I'm using store-bought mixed beans. I love to use varieties of beans for this bean curry, and so I just buy the mixed beans, really, because it will be difficult to borrow different kind of beans, the kidney beans, the white beans. Yeah, so it's just better to buy the can. Again. Let me tell you what just happened. Change of plans. I don't know, my cooker, my gas just stopped working. It wouldn't come on, but the oven is working, so I'm sure it's not the socket. I don't know what's happening, but I need to finish this cooking. So now I've transferred the tomato, onion, garlic, ginger paste, or sauce rather. I've transferred that into a casserole bowl. So this is a baking dish that I can always pop into the oven to bake. So I am going to finish the rest of this curry in the oven, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Yeah, so I'm just going to add some seasoning, some salt, everything else that needs to be added. I'm going to put it in. Put the curry, the cream, the ground masala powder, yeah, the beans, everything else that needs to go in, and we're just going to pop it into the oven just like that. Thank god my rice is almost ready. So the rice, I'm just going to cover the pot, leave it on the cooker for the residual heat to allow the rice to finish cooking. Okay, yeah, this is sad. I'm not sure what's happening with the cooker for now, but this food has to be ready. This is oven baked curry. I've never done this before, but yeah, I will definitely let you know the outcome. Just keep watching. we're in this together. Let's finish this together, okay? Yeah, so I'm just putting in everything else that needs to go into the beans curry, and then we are going to bake it in the oven. Oh, I can't stop laughing. Yeah, so has this ever happened to you before? Has your gas finished while you were cooking? Okay, write in the comment section. Let me read from you. What were you cooking when your gas finished or when your cooker stopped working? And how did you complete it? Were you able to finish the food? How did you go about it? I would like to read from you. All right. Yeah, that's gone into the oven, guys. Actually, this is about 15 minutes later. I just left the rice covered and whoa, it's cooked. Not as soft as I would like, but definitely edible. So we go chop them like that. Yeah, so that's rice, and this is our bean curry. Lunch is served. The devil is a liar. Cooker or no cooker, we are going to have this food. Yeah, so this is my rice and my bean curry, and I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to have a taste and let you know if it tastes like real curry. Okay, there you go. Thank you for sticking around. Actually, it tastes very, very yummy. It's delicious. Yeah, have a look at that. Beautiful. So I'm just going to have my lunch now, and then I was trying to read the manual for the cooker, trying to see if there's anything I could do with troubleshooting, and voila, guys, the cooker is back on. After baking my curry, the cooker just started working again. I turned it off and on several times and it's back. See, it's red. But my cooking is done for now. So that's good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.